The 15th annual virtual Hoodoo Heritage Festival introduces another outstanding presenter, Papa G.
Hello everyone, it's Papa G with FolkMagicStudio.com, and this year at the 2022 Virtual Hoodoo Heritage Festival, I will be teaching a class based on my new book, HEX Appeal. We're going to discuss the history of curses, what is the difference in a curse, a jinx, and a hex, how to put them on, what ingredients you would use, and also, since you will learn how to put them on, we're going to discuss how to cleanse them off. And in the workshop segment of our class, we're going to go through how to make a cursing bottle to send your enemy away from you. So you're getting ready to experience 10 hours of classes on all forms of magic and hoodoo at the 2022 Virtual Hoodoo Heritage Festival. See you there.